The Amazon Rainforest. The Amazon is the biggest rainforest in the world. It is home to many amazing animals and the Amazon River. The Amazon River is the second longest river in the world. Capybaras are the biggest rodents in the world. They live near the water, so they are great swimmers. Sloths are the slowest land animals in the world. They live in the trees. Sloths cannot walk, but they are good swimmers. Many people think bullet ants are the biggest ants in the world. They can be 3 centimeters long. They have the most painful sting.